Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. This is my first vlog in my entire life. So get ready with me to eat my protein and this egg, my boiled egg, and this I don't know what is this, my bananas and my rice. So let's go guys. Let's eat. Okay, let's take a rice and num 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 and a banana. Show num 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 and another rice and num 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 and another an egg and rice. So let's skip this because this is so long. And voila, I'm down for eating. Let's go. Lamig kayo. This organ teleport pop. Okay, kayo. Of course, don't forget to drink. Stay hydrated. We need some protein or some pre-workout food for today. Right, let's go, bro. We are going to my auntie for
Yes,
to
sa auntie
um.
guys.
I'm going to go to my auntie to get 15 pesos to buy some pre-workout for my workouts today. We have 5 pesos for today, guys. So I was by my pre-workout. It's called Nescafe Classics. Let's go. Nescafe Stick Cafe. Nescafe Classics for my pre-workout. Let's go. So my protein is just Nescafe Classic cause I'm poor. I have no creatine and pre-workout. That's the let's go. This at so yummy. Of course, don't forget to drink water cause stay hydrated, bro. Yeah. Nom, 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 nom. Rock, 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 rock. Oh. We are here to my home gym. My dear gym, this is my tool for you. My 2 dumbbells. I think this is 13 kg or 15 kg. Gloves, ball gloves. This is for my wrist and this is for my hands. And this is my barbell stick. So I'm done for my stretching. Let's go walk out. Let's go. Go.
I've been painting every fence I know, every color pleasing to the same. Cause before you go and walk away, yeah, you better know where you're going. Hey, yeah, you're a wanderer just like me. Hey, yeah, you better know where you're going.
my last workout. So let's see the process. So that's all, guys. Goodbye and see you again. Bye bye.